this is Stanley. Welcome to Value Invest Asia 2-minute stock analysis. Today let's explore how we can buy bonds as a stock investor. Are you an income investor and have you considered buying some bonds? Actually, bonds do have some advantages over stocks, especially for income investor looking for stable cash flow and generally looking for a lower risk type of investment. And for Singapore investor, you do have shown that you do like bonds, especially after Temasek have just launched their retail bond last month, one that offers a 2.7% yield for a 5-year period. And amazingly, that bond offering was more than 8 times oversubscribed. However, if you are unable to catch that bond offering, you can actually gain exposure to some bonds investment through ETF. Here are some alternatives for you to think about. Number 1, the Vanguard Intermediate Term Corporate Bond listed in the US. So it is listed in the US with a ticker VCIT, and this ETF mainly invests in corporate bonds which has a tenure of 5 to 10 years with a corporate rating of BBB and above. Currently, the ETF is yielding around 3.6%, and the ETF has been rewarding investors at about 3% a year over the past 5 years. So this is one ETF that you can take a look at. But do bear in mind that US listed ETF are subjected to US withholding tax on dividend, and that is roughly about 30% for Singapore investors. So number 2, if you prefer to buy Asian bonds, you might want to take a look at this ETF called ABF Pan Asia Bond Index ETF. This ETF is listed in Hong Kong with a ticker 2821. Pan Asia Bond Index ETF is mainly investing in local currency, government and quasi-government bonds in 8 Asian markets, including China, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Korea, Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore. In fact, some of its largest positions are actually in Singapore government bonds. And the yield on the ETF now is roughly about 3.8%. And do note that there's no dividend withholding tax in Hong Kong. The ETF has been returning an annual return of roughly about 3.4% over the past decade for investor, just a tad better than the Temasek retail bonds. That's it for our 2-minute stock analysis. Will you invest in this bond ETF? Share your thoughts with us below. If you want to keep up to date with our latest video, do subscribe to us on our YouTube or Facebook page. And if you feel that this video has been useful for you, do give us a like and share it as well. Till next time, invest safely.